Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll be replacing my factory fog lights with a set of Cali Raised LED ambers. I purchased the whole kit that comes with the whole housing and everything. It's a direct bolt-in plug and play to my factory wiring and all that, so it'll be very easy to install. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Check them out here. 6 LEDs. They're the CREE bulb. They should be pretty bright. They're 6000K. Same setup as the ditch lights I put on, but not bad. That's just a plug and play harness. Just plugs right into your factory harness so you don't have to wire anything. The brackets that replace the factory brackets, so it'll just be right in, no drilling or anything, just plug and play. Came with all the hardware. Adapter piece that then just plugs into the factory fog lights. Just put the bolt in with the nut. I found it easy, just drop the nut in there and then just put the bolt through and push it up against the side. All right, got it all done. Let's go hit the trail and see how they look. So the Cali Raised ambers. Pretty cool, I like them.